USDT. Is that not cool? Shout out to everybody in the chat. I don't know if the stream is going through. Let me know if you guys can hear. Let me know if you guys can see and hear right now. Shout out to J Armo. What is going on, my friend? Shout out to Brandon. Pump the Bitcoin. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Zero Ortez. Shout out to Wake the Sheeple. You liked. What do you win? Well, 1,000 likes, $1,000 giveaway. Shout out to AK. Shout out to Steven Backstead. He says lag. Oh no. Oh no, do we have lag going on in the house? Is there lag? Let's check out what's going on here. Yo, my man, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on, everybody? All right, looks like we're fixing some stuff. All right. Shout out to New Song. Shout out to David Gunn. Shout out to James Manford and Honda Man. Shout out to Purvak Patel and Nick Metter. What's good, Nick Metter? What is going on? Shout out to TJ Johnson. He says, like the stream, boys. This is going to be a good one. I can feel it in my bones, guys. I can feel it in my bones. It's going to be a good stream. Shout out to Crypto Mike. Oh, he says, you're my favorite trader to check in with every day. God bless you, my friend. I'm going to give you one of these salutes. I don't even know really what that means, but, you know, I'm doing it to try and look kind of cool. Let's see. Shout out to Juan Carlos Calzada. And shout out to Angry20 from Belgium. What is going on, my friend? Shout out to Sam J. Kalaf, who says, Billy, what's going on, man? That's right. My other name is Billy. Shout out to Siddharth. Shout out to Hood Theater. And Name Unknown says, yo, yo. All right, are we going to pump the Bitcoin? Shout out to Vegeta. Tell him to feed his hamster. Not sure what that means, my friend. Shout out to Saeed from Iran. What is going on, my friend? Let's get this cornbread, guys. All right, so what is going on with the Bitcoin right now? Let's talk about this Bitcoin price right now. Okay, so Bitcoin, guys, is in fact, well, it's struggling, okay? Bitcoin is struggling at a very key level of around the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement from the high right here to the low. Looks like we might be getting a bit of a rejection, guys. Looks like we might be getting a bit of a rejection. Now, personally, I'm still hanging on for higher prices. Now, why did we get a bounce from this area right here? It's because we came down to this zone, single prints, plus a local daily level. This was the zone that we were looking to take a local long from this morning in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, taking a look at this setup from the local long. And that's exactly basically what happened. But we are struggling to actually confirm now bullish market structure, as you can see. And so I am in a long, guys. And as you can see, I've added to one of the longs I was in from this level here. About, right now, 6,500 USDT in profit. Got about 1,500 on the table. Stop loss is down below here. So if this thing gets stopped out, guys, it will be a $6,000 profit, give or take. And I'm hoping that maybe we can get a push to the upside. Now, we're going to take a look at some of these higher time frames, do a little bit of analysis here. But I am still holding, of course, the swing long trade from much lower. Okay, so this swing long, this is the setup we gave in the Casper Crew from $24,825. So pretty much you can see my entry, 24,831, pretty much long from the bottom, guys. Still going to be holding that, okay? But we need to talk about what's happening locally here as we are forming this range, because this is the make it or break it for Bitcoin, in my opinion, guys. So let's take a look real quick at what's happening with Market Cipher B as we kind of come into this very important zone. Because as you know, yesterday we came up to a very important zone of resistance. Just so happened to be a naked daily point of control, and from this point we've been getting a little bit of a move to the downside, guys, a little bit of a move to the downside. So let's go to a higher term time frame and kind of analyze what is more likely to happen here. So we understand that we have come down to the low, And this was a very key level. Why was it such a key level? Because it was the very key support resistance flip, basically the value area high of this old range. In my opinion, this has been a retest showing that, if we pull this from right over here, this retest right here is showing that the Bitcoin price does not want to enter back into this old range, okay? This is actually a very, very bullish move for a number of reasons. Not only is Bitcoin not wanting to enter back into this old range, but if we check it out from here, I guess not from there. If we check it out from here, we can see that this is also the retest of the neckline of an inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? So this is a very bullish retest, and from here, my target is actually $42,000. $42,000. And this is such a key level because we have just broken out of a falling wedge pattern right here. Let's check it out. Bam, we have just broken out of this falling wedge pattern, and our next target for the falling wedge pattern is actually going to be around $31,800. We go ahead and take this and extrapolate. We can see $31,800, give or take 31.7-ish. That's going to be our breakout target of this falling wedge. However, we are not there yet, and we have not even taken the local high, okay? So, in my opinion, this is still very bullish market structure. What may happen is we get a little bit of a retracement, and so it's very key right now, if we're going to get a retracement here, that we don't lose the value area high of this range. And the reason for that is the same reason why it was so important for us to find a bounce from the value area high of this old range, right? It's showing that the market wants Bitcoin to be trading at higher prices, right? We got this nice retest right here. So let's see what happens if we come back down toward this blue line, which is going to be around 29K, give or take, guys. Around 29K, give or take. All right, I would say $28.5 to $29,000. This is very key. If we lose this level right here, this green box that I have marked on the chart between $28.5 and $29,000, that opens the door for this literally just being a lower high, double top, and we come back down. Now, a few things that we need to be cautious about, okay? First of all, if we take a look here at just the 4-hour time frame, one might say, okay, we've got a nice oversold wave right here. This might take us down a little bit, right? Some people might actually say that. Other people might look at this and say, Jason, look at this. The 4-hour time frame is actually printing a bearish divergence right here. And very slightly, you would be correct. Okay, something else to keep in mind here. If we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, we do see bearish divergences. As we've come up to make this final high, we do see some bearish divergences. So there is room here for some downside. There is room here for a retracement. The one thing I like about what's happening right now is we have not yet seen a divergence with the money flow on the 1 hour. So for that reason, I do still think that there is potentially room here for the upside. However, if we get the retracement, I would be looking down toward this green box, the value area high of the old range, confluence with actually some other levels, such as the 382 Fibonacci. If we pull our fib from this low to the high, the 382 Fibonacci is coming in right in our box as well. So for me, that's a make it or break it level. 28.5 is make it or break it. 28.5 to $29,000 is a very key level, and we have to be real. If we lose this box, guys, it could be a very fast move back down to the low of the range, around $26.5 thousand, because when you have a fast move up, you have a very fast move down. So if we take a look at our 12-minute time frame right now, what do we see? Well, as we came down to this key level of support where we are currently long from in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, the setup that was given this morning in the New York Open live stream, as we did come down to that level, we do see something very key on Market Cipher B, which is if we take a look at our 12-minute time frame, as we come down to the low of the range, we are in fact seeing the very bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern on Market Cipher B, whereas the price is getting lower to the key level of support that we were looking at for today's New York Open. We are also seeing Sam Bankman-Fried's man breasts and money flow getting higher. Why did he tattoo himself with these green dot nipples? We don't know. He was living in the Bahamas on drugs, scamming people. You do weird, that does something weird to your head, okay? But we can clearly see that happening on Market Cipher B, and we have not printed any local bearish divergences here. So let's see if we can't get another push to the upside. It's very, very crucial where we're coming up to now, because the previous high on the macro time scale, macro time frame, 31069, right? We're super, super close to that. So if we can officially take this high, guys, that is continuation of the macro uptrend that we've been on Bitcoin since literally the end of December, right? Or the end of November, right? We're in this macro uptrend. We've come down to a key zone of support, which is, just simply speaking, the 786 Fibonacci. This is the monthly time frame, right? Every single market cycle, we come down to the 786 Fibonacci, and we get a pretty significant move. In fact, you know, I was talking about this a little bit yesterday, but you know, when we're talking about market cycles for Bitcoin, right? When we're talking about market cycles for Bitcoin, we want to see, let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it here. Aha, here we go. Here we go. No, I can't find it. Never mind. Bottom line is, guys, we've come down to a macro market bottom, in my opinion, and since that time we've been forming a bullish market structure here. Bullish market structure. We made a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. We're waiting for that higher high. We also understand if we can come back inside of this old range right here, like reclaim this $31,000 level, that opens the door potentially all the way up to the value area high of the range around $50,000. So it's a very, very crucial zone right now. Okay, shout out to Cooking TV. In 30 minutes, there's bullish divisions. That was a good Bahamas and drugs. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. What is going on, guys? Let's see if we can't get the likes up to 1,000 so we can give away $1,000. The background music is over 9,000. Should I lower the background music a little bit? Okay. Okay. We'll lower it a little bit for Vegeta. Save a chicken, ride a goose. Save a chicken, ride a goose. Shout out to Crypto Live. Hey, Jason, can you do analysis on Pepe? Yeah, we might be able to do some Pepe, guys. We might be able to do some Pepe up in here. All right, so we go down to a lower term time frame right now. We're going to go to the 12-minute time frame, and we are going to be looking at our order flow chart to see, are we forming any kind of divergences that's going to kind of alert us on any kind of potential movements here. So let's head on over to our good friend coinalyze.net. We're going to clear the chart. We're going to go to the 15-minute time frame. Go ahead and give it a good old refresh here. All right, so we don't really see any kind of divergences happening here. Potentially, we've got some local, very local bullish CVD, potentially. If we take a look at the 5-minute time frame, we can actually see that as the price right here is getting higher, we do see some shorts opening up. Nothing too crazy, though. I wouldn't consider this any kind of crazy divergence. But we can definitely see traders are opening up positions. People are putting their money on the line right now, waiting to see what is going to happen as we struggle to come above this 618 Fibonacci. And the 618 Fibonacci is a very key level. As many of you know, the 618, her name is Six Juanita. She was my high school crush. Here's a picture of her actually right here, Six Juanita. And every time I tried to ask this woman out on a date, she would reject me. And I was in something known as the friend zone. I didn't know at the time that the friend zone existed. I thought because she was laughing at my jokes, because she let me do her homework every day and she let me carry her books to class, she was interested in me. But when I asked her on a date, she gave me the hand, she gave me the face, she gave me the teeth, and you could see what happened is a harsh rejection right from the 618 Fibonacci level. So we are potentially witnessing something very similar to that happening right here. So we do need to be careful, guys. We do need to be careful. However, I'm still holding the long, and my next target is going to be these highs, guys. My next target is going to be these highs. All right. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. We could take a look at some Pepe. Shout out to Lovejeet Beating. He says, "You the best." No, man. No, I'm not the best. You the best. Shout out to Big Butts 28. come downstairs shaking her big butt around, trying to distract me from the charts. What are you trying to do, Big Butts 28? Distract me from the charts? All right. Shout out to Sailing to Crypto. Shout out to Dylan Wave. 6Juanita is known for reacting to anyone that approaches her. Yes, I guess Big Butts 28 is down here because she doesn't like the fact that I had a crush on 6Juanita. Guys, as you can see, I got the nipple hole on the shirt here. This shirt has seen better days, guys. I don't know if you could tell that. Yeah, we could take a look at some other coins as well, because Bitcoin is not doing very much. Long story short on Bitcoin, guys, if we reclaim these highs and don't get a rejection, that is very, very bullish. If we are going to lose the very key green box of 28.5 to 29K, that opens the door up for much more downside. And so right now, the only two levels I care about for Bitcoin are going to be $31,000 and around $28.5 thousand. We could take a look at some other coins. Let's take a look at PP coin. All right, we're going to take a look at PP coin. PP USDT. Let's check it out. PP coin. Hang on. Is this PP coin? It's really only been around since May. PP coin only been around since May. Is that true? Nah, that can't be true. Is that true? Is that really true, guys? Someone in the chat, let me know. How long has PP coin been around? How long has PP coin been around, guys? Is there any way to try and win a VIP for the month? Yeah, okay, so if we get 1,000 likes, whoever wins the giveaway, if we get 1,000 likes, can choose between either 1,000 USDT or a free membership to the Jason Casper Crew VIP Discord. Jonty says, my shoulders look bullish. Thanks, man. Okay, they went live on MEXC in May. This is Binance. This is Binance. Okay. Halfway in April. Okay, says Pimp Holes. PP coin. PP coins. Okay, April. All right, let's check it out. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it on another exchange. Pepe, PP coin on KuCoin. KuCoin tends to have the most data. Nah. All right. Well, anyway, we'll do some local analysis on PP coin here. All right, let's check it out. Seems to be pumping again, guys. Seems to be pumping again. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Okay, so here's what I have to say about PP coin, guys. This looks bullish. All these highs need to get taken out, in my opinion. All these highs need to get taken out, in my opinion. Because they are not there. This is liquidity up here. Okay, all these highs need to get taken out. So I think we can still come up probably to at least like 2,145, not satoshis, but microcents. Okay, right around 2,105. Right around 2,105. Let's pull a fib from the high to the low. Yeah, I would say right around, yeah, 2,200, give or take. We have a Fibonacci golden pocket. I do think we could get a move more to the upside here on PP coin. I would be looking for a move up to around this zone right here. And then I would be looking to move up to this daily order block that we have right here. Okay, so we could see another move up on PP about 57%. Now, does that mean I would long this? No, I'm just saying, look, this liquidity is begging to get taken. We've already taken a good portion of it. This high, and this high, they all need right now to get snagged, right? And that would bring us right up to our 618 golden pocket. Now, you could say that this is a very nice bottom right here on PP coin, because we put in a low, put in a high, a lower low, and now we put in a higher high, changing market structure on the daily time frame. And honestly, unfortunately, I would say we missed the opportunity to long the local golden pocket. But what we can do now is we could say, if we're going to get a PP pullback, here, we could look to long once again the golden pocket. So I would be looking for a retracement here. Let's pull some volume. Let's see if there's any place to look to get into a long on PP. It's tough, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's really tough right here. I don't really see any nice confluences that I like here. I'll be honest. I don't really see any nice confluences that I like. I wouldn't want a long right here after this massive pump. I don't like what I see as far as volume goes. We don't have any confluence with high volume nodes or Fibonacci. The only thing we have is the retest of this trend line lining up nicely with the golden pocket. Right? The only potential I would see is a pretty big pullback like this. And I don't know if we're going to get that, guys. I don't know. But you know, we're working with limited data here, so that's my take on PP. I wouldn't look to leverage trade PP right now. I'll be honest with you guys. All right, stay away from the PP. All right. All right. You only have to do a PP pullback if you're not snipped. Well, we're not going to go there. Bitget has a better chart for PP coin, AZTV. All right, let's take a look at some other coins here. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Wow, we got 700 people in here. Smash up the like. Let's see if we can't do those giveaways, guys. Let's see if we can't do those giveaways. All right, the Bitget chart. Okay. All right, we'll take a quick look at the Bitget chart on Pepe. We'll take a look at the Bitget chart here. Oh, wow, Bitget looking nice. All right, let's see if we have anything better on the Bitget chart. Looking better on Bitget. Looking the exact same on Bitget, guys. Liquidity needs to be snagged. Liquidity needs to be snagged. I mean, even if we pull the fib from this high, we've got the 382, and we've got the golden pocket. They both pretty much the same thing. Pretty much the same thing. There's not really any major levels here, guys, that I am seeing. The only thing I would say is, I mean, look at how much we've pumped in such a small period of time on PP, right? That is pretty crazy. So the only logical place really to be looking for a long, in my opinion, would be a move back down toward the low of the range. And I don't have nice confluences there, so I'm not really feeling it. Let's check out Bitcoin. How's Bitcoin doing? How's the long trade doing that we gave this morning in the New York Open live stream? Doing pretty dang good. We were looking for our bullish divergences on that 12-minute time frame. That's exactly what we got, guys. Bullish divergences. The Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man breast pattern coming in nice and juicy as we came down to the level, making for a nice long. Our target, my final target, I have a take profit. I have a take profit on this long. I have a number of take profits set on it, but I have a take profit at the local golden pocket up here. And then when we get to these highs. So let's see what we can do on that, guys. All right, we had the bullish divergences. We came down. We had the left cheek nice and big and round with the ravioli and the gravy flowing out of it. The skinny old right butt cheek, you know. All right, what should we take a look at, guys? Stay away from PP and poo-poo. Shout out to Robert Bonar holding it down with the rent. Shout out to First Coast Crypto. What's my max bench? My max bench ever is not that much, man. It's only 330. 330 LBS. All right, what about Matic? We could take a look at Matic. All right, let's take a look at Matic. Matic. All right, guys, this is quality content. Make sure to like the video for this, man. Shout out to Memory Man in the chat. What is going on, bro? God bless you, man. Good to see you here. Yeah, we'll take a look at Matic, all right? We looked at PP coin. We're going to take a look at Matic. All right. On Binance. All right, we'll start on the... Wow. So just so everybody knows, all right, just so everybody knows, I did long Matic on this candle right here, okay? Got stopped out. All right, stopped out. I longed Matic because we came down CDW. I thought we were going to pump. We didn't. We dumped. I guess, I don't know, bearish FUD. So let's come back to the drawing board for Matic. All right, I'm coming to this. I like Matic. I actually hodl a bit of Matic. And I'm bullish on it for the bull run. Don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about the fundamentals. But I heard a whole bunch of YouTubers say it's got to be good. So therefore, it's got to be good. Right? I saw some YouTube thumbnails about Matic. It really got me excited. So here I am, hodling a whole bunch of Matic over here. Plus, I like the name Matic. It's got some mystique, if you know what I mean. Okay, so we're here. We gotta put this thing on log scale. How am I gonna put that on log scale? There, that's not log scale. There we go. Did you know you could put market cipher on log scale, guys? Did you know? I did not know that you could put market cipher on log scale. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, all right. So wow. Okay, so this is Matic. Let's take a look at all this volume on the weekly time frame below the value area low. That's kind of bearish. Let's take a look at this range right here. Below the value area low once again. Okay, so there's two main things that really stand out to me for Matic right here on the weekly time frame. That would be, guys, basically, I really like this. I like this. This zone right here around this weekly level is actually a place that I really like Matic. And I'll tell you why. Because it would pretty much stop out everybody except people who long the exact bottom. And we have a nice wick of liquidity right here where we could get what's known as a chicken's drinking water. A chicken's drinking water is basically where the price dips down to grab liquidity and then get a move to the upside. Very much similar to what happened today with Bitcoin, right? We had liquidity right here, right? This white line, we had the stop losses below this low, below this low, below this low. And we came down for a liquidity grab and then bam, a move to the upside. It's just like when a chicken takes a drink of water. She takes her beak, she puts it below the water, zoop, then pulls it up real quick, laps it up, laps it right up. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, I think we might be able to watch a video of that. Let's see if we can't watch a video of a chicken drinking water. Because this is very important when it comes to technical analysis. Okay, here we go. My favorite video in the world. Oh, man. Oh, don't you hate advertisements? I hate advertisements, man. All right, yeah, here we go. Watch the way a chicken drinks water, okay? She's going to take her head. She's going to dip it into the water. Now, the beak is the price. The water is the level of liquidity. She's going to dip it down. Bam! Dips it down. Pulls it out. Laps it up right away. Okay? So that's kind of what we're looking at right here for Matic. To come down, grab the liquidity, and lap it up right away. And we have a weekly level of support right here at 38.40. At 38.40. Okay? That could be a pretty nice, in my opinion, a pretty nice long to make a higher low, and then eventually make a higher high. Now this is high time frame, so this could take a very long time, but that's really the next opportunity I see to get long on Matic here, because that's the only thing I see. Let's go down to a lower term time frame here. We'll go to the 4 hour. Now I do have to say this, okay, we have locally right now started to create some kind of bullish market structure, low, high, higher low, higher high. I don't really like it as much as if we had taken out this high, right? But there is a chance here that we come down and we could get a local long right from the Fibonacci golden pocket, okay? So swing trading idea would be to get the chickens drinking water from that lower price, right? Swing trading idea is chickens drink water around 39 cents. A local long idea for Matic would be if we come down to this box between the golden pocket, the value area low of the range, and basically make a macro higher low here once again. Okay, so we come down back into the range, down toward the low of the range, get our bounce, and then continue to the upside where probably we would find our next resistance around the support resistance flip that we have right here at about 75.57. So let's see. Those would be the two areas I would be looking at right now for Matic. But in general, you know, I was looking to long Matic for a very long time from basically snagging all these lows, right? I was looking to snag all these lows and get a chicken's drink water. Obviously, that did not happen, right? Obviously, that did not happen. So we know what used to be support is now going to be major resistance. If we're going to continue to the upside here, look for the local retrace up to the support resistance flip. If we come lower, I'd be looking down toward this 38.40 level for my next long trade right here. So how's Bitcoin doing, guys? Bitcoin getting a little move to the upside. Let's check the order flow chart right now. What do we have going on? Confirmed bullish divergence, guys, on the CVD indicator right here. We do have a confirmed bullish divergence. We can see as the price made a higher low, the CVD made a lower low, and the open interest also making higher highs. This is telling us right now, y'all, that whales are absorbing shorts, okay? Whales are absorbing shorts right here. Okay, when the CVD is getting lower, this is telling us there are more shorts opening than longs. When the open interest is getting higher, this is telling us that the price action is being fueled by new traders stepping up to the plate, putting their money where their mouth is, entering brand new positions. And so if there's more shorts than longs, you would expect price to go down, yet the price is going up. That is telling us that there is some bullish absorption happening. Now we're going to go to exo charts, and we're going to find out to what degree are these whales existing. Are these big whales? Are they beluga whales? Are they white whales? Are they black whales? I don't know. I don't know what color they are, guys. We're going to go to exo charts. We're going to go to the 5-minute time frame here. And let's see what we got, okay? So we made a low. We made a low right here. And our CVD was 16 million. Then we made a higher low right here. Our CVD is 17 million. I'm sorry. Our CVD is also 16 million. So here's the thing, guys. We didn't really see much absorption here. We didn't really see much absorption here. It's nothing to write home about, all right? I would not write my mom a letter for this bullish CVD divergence. All right, I might send her a text. I'd be like, Ma, we got a little bit of bullish CVD here, but I'm not going to write you a letter and spend money on a stamp, walk all the way out to the mailbox and click send on the mailbox, right? I'm not going to click send on my physical mailbox because of this bullish CVD. It's not actually very, very bullish, right? It's not very, very bullish. There's not really too many shorts being absorbed here. And let's see. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, there's really not much to write home about here. There's really not much to write home about here, guys. All right, so we're back to where we were. Just chopping around this little area. Just chopping around this area. All right, we got the long trade still open. The swing long trade. Swing long trade from the Casper Crew VIP Discord from 24825. Still open right here. In some pretty juicy profits, about 1100%. Got the scalp trade open that we gave this morning in the Casper Crew. Still open right here. Up about right now 136%. High leverage, guys. High leverage. Okay, I use high leverage. Don't be confused. I don't recommend leverage, especially if you're new. Right? If you're new, you should stay away from leverage trading. You should trade 1x or on spot just to understand how everything works. The only reason you should be using leverage is if you split your money across multiple accounts, if you're using it for psychological reasons, and most importantly, it fits into your risk management strategy, meaning you're not losing more than 0.5 to 2% per trade. Okay? Because if you're risking more than that, you're on a one-way ticket to Wreck City. All right? And let me tell you, it's not fun to go to Wreck City. I've been there. I've been there. All right. They're sperm whales. Okay, they're sperm whales. They're orcas. Okay, all whales matter. Okay. I don't think Matic will go down again because it's touched the weekly trend line. That's true. Okay, so if Sambal Belakin, he says he doesn't think Matic's going to go down lower because it's touched the weekly trend line. So we take a look at it. Let's take a look at this trend line. Well, I guess it depends how we draw that, right? This is log scale. Let's put it on regular scale. Really? Has it touched the weekly trend line? Has it touched the weekly trend line? Guys, I have some big news, okay? I have some big news. Carl from the Moon has just hit me up. All right, my sponsor himself, Carl from the Moon, has officially just hit me up, okay, on Telegram. Do you see that? You guys see that? Carl from the Moon has officially hit me up, guys. I'm famous. All right? I'm famous. Shout out to Carl from the Moon. You're the man, bro. Carl from the Moon is my sponsor. He sponsors this YouTube content. And I wish we had a video, but I don't think we have it anymore. Nah, we don't have the video. We don't have the video. There's a video of me and Carl going to McDonald's in a Maserati. It's out there somewhere. Shout out to Randall Dance. What do I think of KuCoin? I think it's a great exchange to hold alts on for the next bull run. All right, let's take a look at ARB. ARB is a coin that has been gaining a lot of traction lately. Take a look at ARB. All right, let's see on another exchange here. All right, hang on. All right, this is a crazy coin here. Let's see, we'll check it out on. We'll go back to Binance here. Okay, ARB. Let's check it out. Officially changed market structure now. I actually like this bottom. It's a nice looking bottom right here for ARB. It's actually pretty nice. Let's check out our volume profile. We are back inside the range, rejecting from the point of control. Let's pull some fibs from the high to the low. Okay. Okay, I like what I see. I like what I see. Let's go to the 12-hour. We do have a nice 12-hour order block right here. At about $1, we have a 12-hour order block. Let's pull some local fibs now. Oh man. Okay. So I'll tell you guys what I like and what I want. All right. Two different things. Sometimes. What I like and what I want. So the 12-hour is printing a big old Topperoni cheese at the point of control, which the point of control, if I'm not mistaken, is also the golden pocket from the local high to the local low. Okay, let's pull one more volume profile of this local range here. Okay, very similar. Okay, so we have a very, very nice support on ARB. Now I know, people don't want to come down this low, but we got to think to ourselves, what's happening right here? What could happen right here? Well, I'll tell you what could happen right here. I'll tell you, potentially, a strange-looking inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, something like this, which would bring us up to, depending on how we want to draw this, right up to the value area high of the range. Okay, a beautiful target, in my opinion. Right, a beautiful target. Now, what I like about this also is the fact that we're printing a top here, which means we need to get a little retracement, and we have a very, very fast move down, which means fast move up, which means we can get a very, very fast move down. So I would be looking at this. I would honestly be looking at this. Let's do a little more in-depth volume. Yo, yeah. Oh, guys, when I see this kind of stuff, it makes me giddy as a schoolgirl, because we have the juiciest confluences right here. All right, value area. First of all, support resistance flip. Right, support resistance flip right here. Support resistance flip. Value area high. Point of control. Golden pocket. 12-hour order block. Money flow coming to the upside after BitBoy butt cheeks. Bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern on market Cipher B, in combination with the bullish uneven butt cheek pattern. Okay, so we've got Sam Bankman-Fried's man breasts getting higher as the price is getting lower. Right, we can see from here to here, money flow getting higher, momentum waves getting higher, but then locally, right? This is regionally. We have the regional SBFB, Sam Bankman-Fried boobs. But locally, we've got regular old-fashioned uneven butt cheeks, right? As the price is coming down toward, make this lower low, 1, 2, bam, uneven cheekaronis. So yeah, that looks pretty dang nice, okay? Money flow curving to the upside. This is bullish. This is bullish, but we need to wait for a pullback. So where do we wait? In my opinion, $1. $1. Around $1 to $1.333. In fact, yeah, this could really be our key zone of bounce. And then I would look to take that back up to the value area high of the range. So let's go ahead. Stop loss would have to be, in my opinion, a smart stop loss would have to go below the 786. But, you know, if we start to get a bounce, I would probably do it with a tighter stop. But responsible stop loss below the 786 target, golden pocket. That's a 5-to-1 risk reward. What do we want to see? We want to see continuation of the trigger wave, continuation of the money flow on market Cipher, giving us that big move to the upside. Let's turn on the 9s indicator. All right, we're going to turn on the 9s indicator. Looks like the 9s indicator isn't printing anything for me. Does it have enough data? Let's check it out. Might not have enough data. We might have to reload the 9s, guys. Okay, it's not doing much for me on this one. All right. Well, that's unfortunate, but yeah, this would be a pretty nice potential trade right here. And for a potential short on this thing, oh man, I don't know. I would have to say that I would be hesitant to short this thing unless we come back up and take these highs and get a chicken's drinking water, right? Come back up to the top of this local range here with bearish divergences from somewhere around this 382 retracement. I would look for a short from that area if we get a big move up. But I don't think we're going to get a big move up anytime soon because the 12-hour is really looking kind of bearish. And the 4-hour as well, bearish divergences, money flow getting thick. I think we can get a little bit more of a move down here. Fill this single print. That would be nice on ARB. That would be pretty dang nice. All right. Shout out to Aaron G. What is going on, man? It's so good to see you here, bro. God bless you, man. We got people asking for money in the chat. Ismail Idil. He wants money. He wants money. Well, if you send me 1,000 likes, potentially we'll be able to do a $1,000 giveaway. Infante, have you pulled a fib extension March 10th low to April 14th high? Are you talking about Bitcoin or are you talking about ARB? You must be talking about Bitcoin. You must be talking about Bitcoin. Yeah, you have to be talking about the corn. I have not pulled a fib extension on the Bitcoin from the March 10th low to the shout out to Sammy Ben Sadak. What's going on, man? Dang, now I lost the comment. I lost the comment about the fib extension. Oh, here we go. All right, April 14th high. Let's check it out. All right, let's put on our 1-to-1 extension. We've got that on. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. All right, right around 36K is our 1-to-1 fib extension. Let's check out our 6-1 ETA. All right, right around 31.8. Wow, these are really nice fib levels, guys. Okay, these are really nice fib levels. Let's remove everything real quick from our chart, because shout out to Infante. We have just gotten some nice confluences for some potential juicy trades. Okay. Shout out to NatBat3, Mr. Shanafi5. Blessings to you, man. Shout out to Frosty South Africa. I'm assuming SA stands for South Africa. Alright, so check this out, guys. We've got right here our 618 Fibonacci at 31,880, which we understand is the bullish target of our falling wedge pattern that we have broken out of, right? We got this falling wedge pattern right here. Okay, actually, we've got this falling wedge pattern right here. Kaboom, kaboom. We take our line from the high to the low. We extend that toward the upside, and what do we get? Right at the 618 fib extension. Now also, if we come back to May 2022, we can see that, man, would you look at this? We've got ourselves a nice juicy, this is the 12 hour, let's go to the daily. We've got ourselves a nice juicy daily level right here as well. So look at that confluence, guys. 618 fib lining up perfectly with the daily level of resistance that we have right here. Then we have the 1-to-1 fib extension, which is honestly the most probable place that we go, right up to 36,000. And we know 36K is such a crucial level because it's actually the 382 Fibonacci from our all-time high to the low that we made back in November. So if we go ahead and pull our fib from the all-time high to the low that we made back in November, we can see that our 382 fib is lining up perfectly with that 1-to-1 fib extension. So just be aware, guys, of two very, very important zones of resistance for Bitcoin. Numero uno would be the 36K level. Numero dos, just to practice a little Espanol, is going to be this daily level right here around 31.6, 31.7, 31.8, right? There's going to be two very, very important levels of resistance. I would actually say, obviously there's other places we could reject, but those are two very key ones in my opinion, okay? Yeah, that's going to be good. That's going to be good. Let's check out our Bitcoin trades. How are they doing? How's the Bitcoin trades doing? They're doing alright, guys. They're not doing so bad. They're not doing so great either. Alright. Shout out to F1 Clips. S Sports. ES Sports says, get the likes up. I need a new high pump song, please. Well, if we start to pump or if we see anything super bullish, then we could, in fact, do a pump song. But right now, I don't really see anything too bullish that warrants the pump song. Right? I don't really see anything too bullish. Whoa! I'm exposing myself. I'm in an unfinished basement. Oof, jeez. Man. That's right, Cuban Espanol, my friend. The $1,000 giveaway has been a year in the making. We've done a number of $1,000 giveaways on these streams, guys. I usually do them when I'm trying to get some hype surrounding the Jason Casper experience, if you know what I'm saying. But, shout out to Lance Flynn. What is going on? Robert Bonar has given the warning. If anybody else puts a cryptocurrency address in the chat, you will be banned. No more warnings, he says. No more warnings. All right. Can we check KDA? Sure, we could check KDA. We could check KDA. Oscar, may Jesus bless you as well. May Jesus bless you as well. How many pull-ups can I do? I can do a lot of pull-ups. I haven't actually tried to do as many as I can do. I could probably, gun to my head, I could probably do close to 40. I could probably do around 40 strict pull-ups because I do pull-ups every single day. And I usually do them in sets of 20 or 30. So, shout out to Mines. I've been doing pull-ups since 8th grade, okay? I'm doing pull-ups since 8th grade because in 8th grade, if anybody doesn't know, alright, your boy Jason Casper, I used to be morbidly obese, right? Morbidly obese. And in middle school, the end of middle school, close to high school, I decided to get in shape. And they kept track of who could do the most pull-ups in the gym class. And so it was my goal to get that record, which I did. But then someone beat it, okay? Someone beat it. I forget what it was. I think it was like 31. 31 pull-ups. I did pull-ups every single day. All I did was pull-ups, 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 pull-ups. I remember the first time I did a pull-up. I remember the first time I could do a push-up. I couldn't do a push-up or a pull-up until I was like 14 years old. Because I was so dang fat. Alright, taking a look at KDA. Kadena. Wide grip, close grip, or both? Neutral grip, I guess. I don't know. I just go up there with a pretty normal grip, I guess. I don't know. Weighted pull-ups? I do tons of weighted pull-ups, J. Armo. The pull-up is one of my main lifts, right? It's one of my main pulling variations of pull-ups and chin-ups with weights. I do them for intensity. I do them for volume. I love pull-ups. I mean, what is a better exercise than a pull-up? And a push-up, too. And I do myself some weighted push-ups. A lot of weighted push-ups. Backpack. Market Cipher backpack full of just weights. You know, I'll put like 100 pounds on my back and just start doing pull-ups, push-ups. It's a really good chest exercise and arm exercise. I mean, it's good, man. It's good. Okay, so KDA. Kadena. Well, I would say this, right? This is the weekly time frame right here. We need to wait and see some kind of a sign of strength to long this thing, right? A sign of strength to long. What would be considered a sign of strength for me? It would be at least to come to value area low, which isn't really that strong, but it could give us a potential. It could give us a potential, okay? A potential long from the golden pocket. And the reason why this could give us a potential long from the golden pocket is because if we come down to this zone right here, right? If we come down to this zone right here, we will in fact be changing market structure, taking out this high, right? If we go to the daily time frame, that's an important high to take out, right? That's an important high to take out, right? It's lots of liquidity here. Reject right from this support resistance flip around 85 cents. I would like a move up to 85. That would be a sign of strength for me. A move up to 85 and then a retracement down to the golden pocket. Yeah, that's the only thing I could really see doing this right now, right? As far as trading goes. Other than that, this chart looks ugly, man. This chart looks super ugly. Let's see if we can draw any kind of... Nah, this chart don't look good to me. It don't look good to me. Alright, let's see what else we can get going on. Are we pumping again? We're pumping again, guys. We're pumping again. You know what we need? Do you know what we need? We need the 1 second time frame, guys. Oh, man. This is what we need. The 1 second. 1 second time frame on Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Here we go, pumping, baby. The 1 second is out of control right now. Let's check out our order flow chart to see what's happening. The 1 second is absolutely out of control, going absolutely mental. What's happening here on the order flow? Anything to write home about? Hey, Ma. Am I going to write you a letter? Shout out to Mama Casper. Shout out to Papa Casper. I'm going to their house tomorrow. I'm excited to see you guys. I know you watch... Oh, my goodness! Alright, we just had some longs come in here, guys. We just had some longs come in here. About 600,000 long trays just popped open right now. Just... right open. They popped open, okay? Do I do fasting? So that's so interesting, you would say, Cairo Ortiz. Do I do fasting? I intermittent fasted from 2010 all the way to 2023. Religiously, I intermittent fasted, okay? Didn't eat breakfast until at least 6 hours after waking. Usually 8 to 12 hours after waking, right? And I have to say, one day, very recently, after a hard workout, which I do in the morning, I said, you know what? I'm hungry, man. Why am I fasting? Why am I fasting? So I started eating breakfast. It's about a little long ago, right? I started eating breakfast, and I'll tell you guys, I feel freaking amazing eating breakfast. But I haven't been eating breakfast every day. I've basically been just eating if I feel like. I've been just listening to my body, guys. I've been eating if I feel hungry, I will eat. If I feel like I need carbs, I'll eat carbs. If I feel like I don't need carbs, I'll just have 10 eggs and call it a meal. I've just been completely intuitively eating lately. And I haven't felt better. You know, I haven't felt better. So, who knows, guys? Who knows? Who knows what the right thing to do when it comes to nutrition? Right? I definitely don't know. Okay, we've got longs coming in, guys. We've got longs coming in over here. Let's see what happens. All right? Let's see what happens. Do I still eat fast food? Heck no. Don't eat fast food. No. No, I only eat whole foods, guys. I only eat meat, dairy, fruits, vegetables. And if I need extra carbohydrates, I'll eat pseudo grains like quinoa. Some quinoa. What's my take on OMAD? You know, I don't know. It's probably good for some people. It's probably good for some people. You know? If you're trying to lose weight, I mean, it depends on the goals. That's the thing. People want a one-size-fits-all nutrition strategy, right? If you're super fat, maybe OMAD would be really good for you. But, like, I'm not super fat. And so, for me, the intermittent fasting, it was tough. It was tough. And I'm taking it from somebody who did it for over 10 years, okay? Is Tren a whole food? I think it is, yes. I think it is. I think it is. No, I think Tren is a whole food, yeah. You gotta, if you're gonna trend hard, make sure it's organic, grass-fed Tren. Do I do creatine? I don't do creatine, no. AZTV says, it's quinoa, foo. He means to say quinoa. But the problem is, when you spell out quinoa, you could still read it quinoa. Caffeine, oh yeah, caffeine for sure. Testosterone, no, heck no. I don't take testosterone. Do I have hair? I do have hair. I have it. Is eating McDonald's every day okay? I don't think so. I don't think so. Especially if you're a guy and you care about your testosterone levels and stuff. I really don't think it is. I'm sorry. I don't think it's okay to eat at all. I'll be honest with you. Like I'm pretty convicted about unhealthy eating because everyone in my life is sick. You know, they're sick. Even people in their 30s are sick and fat and tired and chronic pains and this and that and digestion issues. And yeah, it's not good. I mean, it's not food. That's the thing. It's not food. You know? How to join the giveaway? Go ahead and like the video. Trend with French fries hits different. That's true. Creatine is awesome. Yeah. I should take creatine. There's no reason not to. I just don't take supplements. I mean, the only thing I take is some bone broth protein powder. Have I ever watched Doug and Stacy? Yeah, of course. I love Doug and Stacy. Of course. Divine Hood, his downfall is sugar. But, you know, fruit is so good. So, fruit is my sugar. Is Trend healthy for your balls? You know, I don't think it is. Do I eat fish? Nah. Just kidding. Yeah, I eat fish. I eat fish. Do I think we're going straight to 50K, or are we going to drop? I would honestly assume that we will probably drop before we move to 50K. That's what I think. That's what I think. Creatine has more positive effects for the brain than the muscles. Yeah, maybe I will. Maybe I will start taking creatine. Maybe I will. I don't know. All right, do TI on Bitcoin dominance. Shout out to the crypto chef. Do I drink tap water? No. No, and I don't think anyone should unless you have a good filter, man. Who knows what's in that stuff? Well, actually, some people know what's in that stuff, and the more you look into it, the more I would say, do I eat shrimp? I do not eat shrimp, J-Boy Bullish. I do not eat shrimp. Potatoes and meat is great for building muscle. I agree, Toby Chapman. I agree, and I eat a lot of potatoes and meat. I eat a lot of potatoes and meat. Onions contain quercetin. That's good to know. All right. All right, we got a bot liking the video right now. All right, we got a bot liking the video. We got 800 viewers, 900 likes. Impossible. Let's see how fast this bot gets it up to 1,000. Do I eat wheat? I do not eat wheat. I do not eat wheat. And the reason honestly, the reason I don't eat wheat is because I don't really know of a good place to get wheat. I prefer just not to do it. I feel better when I don't eat wheat. All right, so we got people liking the stream. Even if we get 1,000 likes with a bot, we'll still do the giveaway. Still do the giveaway. Still do the giveaway. So go ahead, like the stream, guys. Let's get 1,000 likes with 800 people, and then we'll do a giveaway. What kind of water do I drink? Well water. Well water. Do I have kids? Yeah, of course I've got kids. I'm trying to make more too. Yeah, I'm back on live streaming, man. I'm back on live streaming. And yes, of course, I eat homegrown eggs. That's the only kind I eat. I honestly, I'm not even kidding when I say, on average, I probably eat 12 eggs a day. I probably eat 12 eggs a day. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. We only need 60 more likes, guys. We only need 60 more likes. Let's go. Let's go. We're close. We're about to get 1,000 likes with 800 people. How am I going to celebrate 100K subs? I don't know. I still have to think about that, man. I still have to think about that. Man, shout out to the like bot out there. That's so funny. Organic blueberries, people like. Spring water, that's really good. Am I gassy? No. I don't fart at all. That's not true. I don't fart a lot. I don't get gas. Not anymore. Too much eggs for your liver. Yeah, I don't know. 12 eggs a day. Have I had labs recently? Yeah, I've had labs recently. I've had labs recently. I think my total cholesterol is like 190. My HDL is like 95. My triglycerides are like, I think like 0.7. All right. 1,000 likes, baby. All right, so here's what we're going to do. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the giveaway. Oh, man, you know what? Should we spam the chicken video? We should. All right, we should. We should. Spam the chicken video. All right, guys. I am going to post. I'm going to post in the YouTube chat. All right, I'm going to pin a comment in the YouTube chat. Listen very carefully. I'm going to comment in the YouTube chat a link. You are going to click on that link, okay? It's pinned in the top of the YouTube chat. You're going to click on that link, and you're going to comment on that video with your USDT address, okay? You're going to comment with your USDT address. And we are going to give a random comment picker winner 1,000 USDT or a 6-month subscription to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. All right, you get to choose. You get to choose. You choose. It's just like Burger King, all right? Have it your way, all right? Yeah, the Tron network, USDT, TRC20, 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 TRC20. With 12 eggs a day, do you grow feathers? I don't grow feathers, but I'll tell you guys, I feel pretty dang good eating 12 eggs a day, all right? I feel pretty dang good doing it. And I feel like how you feel is a good indication of how healthy you are, right? And I feel like what could be healthier than something that contains everything that's needed for an animal to grow and be healthy and develop, right? That's why I love drinking raw milk and eating eggs, right? Can you only comment one time? Yes, I will filter out duplicate users here. I'll filter out duplicate users, okay? I will filter out duplicate users. On what chain? The Tron network. The Tron network. Arbitrum is better than Tron for fees? Interesting, Divine Hood. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Well, I pretty much have the TRC because I guess that's just what I'm used to, man. I'm just used to TRC, you know? Just used to it. Yeah, comment on the chicken video. Comment on the chicken video. All right, don't comment in the YouTube chat, right? Comment on the chicken video. It's pinned in the chat, okay? It's pinned in the chat, Hannes, Hermans. It's pinned in the YouTube chat, all right? Check it out. Check it out. All right, we'll give it a few minutes, guys, while we're waiting, while Bitcoin does nothing here. We'll give it a few mins, guys. How many eggs do you currently have that you can do 12 a day? Oh, man, we get so many a day. We probably get like 25 to 30 eggs a day. It's crazy. Where to comment? Okay, guys, you're going to comment on the link that's pinned in the YouTube chat, all right? Go into the YouTube chat. Go ahead and like that, all right? Go ahead and like that. This chicken video guy, he's gonna. Oh man, I wish that we had shilled Jason Casper's name so that he would watch me, and then maybe I could actually get to know that person and tell them, hey, because of you, lots of people are making lots of money over here on the Bitcoins. All right. Man, he's probably getting some crazy comments. He had 50 comments on the video. Now he has 400. Oh my goodness, that is so crazy, guys. That is so crazy. Man, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Y'all are the absolute best here. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Alright. Do I think 10 to 25% approximately strictly from futures is good profits? Yeah, of course. Yeah, that is my favorite video. You subscribe to them? That's good. Yeah, we should. All right, shout out to First Coast who dropped my name. All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, guys. Well, let's go ahead and pick ourselves a winner. Let's go ahead and pick ourselves a winner over here. Whoa! Shout out to Osama Abdel Kareem! Congratulations. Congratulations on the juicy win right there. You have just won 1,000 USDT. I'm about to send it right now. I'm about to send it right now to you. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. 'Cause I wanna be more than friends to ya. Alright. Alright, Usama. Let's send you your USDT. Shout out to Usama with the USDT. We're about to send it right on over to you. Alright, let's see here. Send it straight from my phone. Alright. Shout out to Samzo TV. He says rigged manipulation. I'm gonna send you 1,001. Okay, I'm sending you 1,001 USDT. All right, 1,001. Boom, baby. Just sent. Congratulations, Usama. I'm going to pin the transaction ID in the chat so that everyone knows it's legit. Because people always say, oh, Jason, you're faking it. You faked a guy named Osama bin Laden to come on your stream and give his Bitcoin address. It's actually yours. Well, I'll tell you, Osama bin Laden is a real dude. And I'm about to pin that that transaction ID in the chat here. Alright? Let's see. We're going to come over here to the YouTube chat. We're going to give it a nice pin. Kabamo. And Usama, if you're in here, this is your transaction ID. Alright? Right there. Okay. Yeah, isn't crypto amazing? Money sent in seconds without the need of a third party. That's what I'm talking about. You know, back in the day, I'd have to go drive to the bank. Shout out to Coin25. Got me with the demo wallet. Oh, man. Oh, man. Who won? It was our good friend hang on, let me go back here. Let's see. Who was it? Osama Abdel Karim is our winner, our blessed winner. Wolf and Bear says Osama is CIA. Are you talking about my friend Tim? My good friend Tim, who somehow... Never mind. We're not going to go down that road, guys. I do want my YouTube channel to stay on the internet. Shout out to Krunal Patel. What is going on, man? Don't worry. We'll do more giveaways in the future. All right, don't worry. Shout out to Sudeep in the chat. Good to see you here, Sudeep. God bless you. Shout out to Justin's son. Jason, I entered at 29,621. What's Nesto to look for? When do I exit? Did you enter long or short? I don't know. Did you enter long at 29,621? That's good, man. If I were you, I would take a partial profit, move the stop loss to the entry, and then call it a day, man. Go out, have a nice glass of raw goat milk, maybe some raw goat cheese, maybe some eggs, fresh from the farm, and some potatoes, and just enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy life. You know, you've already made some money on the trade. You know, that's what I would do. The membership to my Discord, yeah. Whoever, that's true. I guess I didn't give Tim Osman the choice. Dang, Tim Osman, if you're out there, let me know. Oh wait, did I miss a super chat? Did I miss a super chat? If I did, I'm so sorry. I'm going to scroll back and see. Huh. I don't see one. Well, guys, it's been a good stream. I'm going to head out. May the Lord bless you. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. And may the Lord turn His face towards you and give you wholeness. In Jesus' name, I do pray everybody is super blessed, even if you're not religious. And I will see everybody in the next stream. Shout out to Joe L.S.'s boyfriend. You're the man, bro. And your girlfriend's amazing. I hope you guys get married and have lots of babies. Peace!